let's refocus to the primary market now and Lenskart listing. The street is watching for that with bated breath right now. Its price discovery has happened at a very flattish level to its issue price, and about 2 odd minutes to go for the listing. Just talking a little bit about the subscription that we've seen. Lenskart looked very steady and very healthy. Remember, on the first day itself, the entire retail book was subscribed. The anchor investment looked very strong as well. Now, the issue price was about 402 rupees per share at that point. So we'll see where the stock is expected, where the stock in fact ends up listing. So yes, a lot to watch out for. The objects of the issue primarily they focus on capital expenditure towards the setup of the new company-owned and company-operated stores in India. So about 272 crore rupees from the IPO proceeds are going to be going over there. Investing in technology and cloud infra. This is an interesting point that they made in their DRHP as well. 213 crore rupees are going to be allocated for that. Brand marketing and business promotion expenses, 320 crores to be allocated over there. If you take a look at their store count, 2,723 stores globally with 2,067 in India, out of which 1,757 are owned and 310 are franchise stores. So that is also going to be important to watch out for in terms of what their growth path is going ahead. Now remember, very close to the listing, you've had this note coming in from Ambit wherein they are negative on the stock, and it's a sell from them for Lenskart right now, and they're saying that the valuation that the IPO is commanding right now, it's 15 to 20% higher than that of Trent and that of Nykaa's beauty and personal care business, which is something that they're not liking at the moment. So that is something that's going to be key to watch out for, how the price to earnings scenario shapes up based on what price the stock is listing right now. About 20 seconds or so to the listing right now. We've had some emotional words coming in from Piyush Bansal ahead of the listing, wherein he did say that profitability is something that they are going to be looking at, but purpose is the entire point of Lenskart right now. And there you have it, visuals coming in from the National Stock Exchange, and you have Piyush Bansal and the other management personnel of Lenskart ringing the bell. A 9% cut coming in on Lenskart at listing. We were building in a case for a 10% discount at listing for Lenskart. So 370 is where the stock has listed right now. 402 was the issue price. And based on our listing scenario, that 10% cut that we were penciling in brings its price to earnings to 256 times right now, compared to that 285 times that they were commanding at the issue price if they listed flat. But yes, slight, very nominal recovery coming in from that 10% cut, 9% lower right now. But yeah, okay, well, so we're back to those 10% levels, and lots of volatility on the stock right now. 358 and a half thereabouts is where the stock is right now, and it has been a slightly discounted listing for Lenskart, a 10% cut at premium, something that we were expecting to see based on how the grey market was trading and what the valuation the street was giving Lenskart right before its IPO. So that is the visuals coming in from the NSE, the ringing of the bell, and the listing of Lenskart, 8.5% lower as we speak.